Okay, this is a CDoge chat. I want to use this time to do a little bit of analysis so that you and your community can gain from this and understand what to do. And I'll be dropping this. Someone said, buy deep, sell high. Buy low, sell high. But the next question is, when should you buy deep? How deep should you buy? To what point that is deep should you buy? So that's where the secret is. Because if you look at the price, it keeps on moving up and down, up and down. Okay. So the question on the mind should be, how low should it go for you to buy it? And when will you know that it is this low for you to buy? So that's where the big question lies. That is what we're going to address. You only buy deep and expect to sell high. You only buy low and expect to sell high. Here it's not like other kind of trade that when you know it's going to go low, you buy in order to sell low. You buy high in order to sell low. Here is one-way trade. One-way trade means you can only sell, you can only trade in one direction. So we are only trading when you see an opportunity that the price is low, and then you have to buy at that low price in order to sell when the price is high. No other thing. So, but when should you buy low? Because this price continue to fall at times, and you don't know where it's going to stop. Because the danger of buying, supposing the price is going down, and is at this point, you don't feel that you should buy because it's low. Do you know if it's still going to go lower? So when should you buy low? That is the biggest question. So to address that, we're going to insert an indicator. Go to indicator up here. When you tap it, the window comes up. You type RSI, RSI. You choose the first one, just tap it. Then you will get this other window. This is a window. Why this other segment of the window is called the chart window. So when should you buy low? There are two things I want to spot out here. One is what we call lower low and higher low. So I'm going to write out that here so that we can grab the concept fast. Higher low has to do with a turning point like this. Is a turning point on the RSI window. Is a turning point of the RSI moving average. This is another turning point. You can see that this turning point is lower than this other turning point. Sorry, yes, it's lower than this other turning point. So this one is higher than this other turning point. So what we are looking at, sorry, let it refresh. Okay, we're back to enlarge this chart to full screen mode. You tap this. So let's go back to where we were. The browser just refreshed on it. So here we have higher lows. We're looking at the progression of lows from the left to the right on the RSI window. Remember, this is the RSI window, right? This is the chart window. So we're looking at, because price moved from the left to the right. These were previous day movement of price up to the right hand side. This is the current price. Okay, so this is technical analysis we're doing to understand how the price moves, and using the price movement in the past to spot out an opportunity where price will likely go next. And this has been working. So here we go. So looking at it from the left to the right, we have what we call higher low. This is a higher low scenario. This point is higher than this turning point. But if you go on the chart at the same point, look at the same point, we have a lower low scenario. So if you connect these 2 points with the line, let's connect it. And at the same time, connect these 2 points with a trend line or a slanted line. We are going to have a meeting point. If you continue drawing this line, they will meet at a point. This is what we call divergence of price. So at any given point in time that there is a divergence of the price on the chart window and the RSI window, then there's going to be a change in direction of price. I would like to do this live with few persons so that if this is not clear when we are live, you can understand it very well. So at any point that there is a divergence between the chart window here and the RSI window, then there is going to be an upward movement in this scenario because price was going down. But at what point should you buy low? You see, some people will buy low here. They say, oh, buy. You follow this candle up. Of course, that is some person's spot, but they didn't know that price is going to still fall. So it takes someone with this technical eye and understanding to know when price will reverse. So if I'm here, I'll quickly jump in around here. This one. This is where I will enter for a buy. Okay, and buy low so that when it gets to somewhere here, I will opt out. So this is just an introduction to this. This is a class I'm going to take for a few persons. I'm going to be dropping when to buy low so that you can maximize the opportunity. Some people also buy low, but don't know when to exit, when to sell so that they can lock their profit. Thank you. This is Tambari FX. Have a good day and bye for now.